Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make these really cute phone charms that have been super trendy recently. Also, make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to be sharing some small businesses that have really cute phone charms just in case you end up wanting to purchase one instead. All right, let's get started. So here's what you're going to need. Any beads of your choice. I got all of mine from Amazon. They'll be linked down below. Any string of your choice. I use Korean waxed cord from Amazon. This one is 0.5 millimeters and it will be linked down below as well. Scissors, of course, and then a bobby pin. This one is optional, and that's all. So a lot of people start with measuring the string and then cutting it, but I do not like to do that. I find that it's a lot easier to just put the beads on the string while it's still on the roll before you even cut it. There's a few reasons why this is helpful, which I'll get into throughout the video. This is where the bobby pin comes in. You don't have to do this, but just in case you don't want the beads to be like sliding around while you're making it, you can just put a bobby pin around where you would have cut it, so that way the beads will just fall right there. So then I just start stringing the beads on. Sometimes I think it's fun to color coordinate them with my cases. So for example, I made this one to match my Libra case, and it just has a bunch of pink and green beads. But today I think I'm just gonna make like a random colorful one. So sometimes the string might fray a little bit at the end, which makes it really difficult to put the beads on. So to fix it, I'll just cut a tiny little bit off the top. This is one of the reasons why it's helpful not to cut the string first, so that way you don't have to worry about it getting too short if you have to keep cutting it down. So I just bead until it's like 11-ish inches long, but you can make it however long or short you want to. I don't really measure it, I just stop when it feels right. And then it's time to tie it off. So here's how I do it. I just fold it in half and then make sure to leave a couple inches at the top and then double knot it. Again, once you knot it, there should be some extra space there. Now you can cut the extra string and make the second knot. So if you don't know how to do this one, you just loop it around and then pull it through. But make sure when you tighten the knot, it falls at the very bottom, right where the beads start. That way they're not like loose and moving around. So you may have to like work the knot down a little bit because it's not just going to automatically fall right where you want it, and then it's all done. The reason I tie it off this way is so that you can't see the knot like at the bottom in between the beads or something. So now to put it on your phone, just take the case off and then just put this loop through the hole where the silent button is, and then take the end of the strap where the beads are and then just thread it through that loop and then just pull until it's secured. And then what I like to do is just hide the knot inside the phone case, so then when you put your phone in, you can't see the knot at all. And there you go. It should be secure, especially if you're using the kind of string that I use. I personally don't like the elastic kind of string because my phone just doesn't feel secure at all. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna shout out some small businesses just in case you want to just buy one. So the first one is actually where I bought my very first charm from. Her username is @lucky13shop on Instagram. I have the cereal bowl one and it's really cute. The second one is run by my friend Omar. The username is just @_MarsCharms_ on Instagram. As of right now, I think he's staying local, but I know he's working on figuring out shipping and stuff. So by the time this is uploaded, he may have already figured that out. So make sure to go check just in case. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys love your phone charms. They're such a cute accessory and they're also very practical. This has come in handy so many times. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Wednesday with another new video. Bye guys.